thermite reaction is a highly exothermic reaction between rust, which is iron oxide, and a pure aluminum, and they're both in their powder form mixed together. Aluminum is more active than iron and replaces it in the oxide compound. This is known as a single replacement reaction and also a redox reaction. The setup is done in a flower pot. The powders are already mixed and put in there, and I used firework fuse to try to get it started. In trial number 1, we realized that the firework fuse is not hot enough to get the reaction to start. The reaction has a very high activation energy, which is the energy required to get it started. In trial 2, I coiled the firework fuse and buried it inside the powder to see if more fuse would get it hot enough to get started. But the temperature is going to be the same regardless, and it did not get started in the second trial either. In trial 3, we got out some sparklers. And we took about 4 or 5 sparklers, wrapped them with the fuse in hopes that the sparklers' temperature would be hot enough to get the thermite reaction started. Here you can see the reaction did get started, and that big glow you saw into the bucket a few seconds ago was pure molten iron coming out of the bottom of the flower pot. Really went through the bucket on that one. Oh. She got hot. Oh, sorry.
Whoops. So is that going to be like a piece of metal now?
Yeah, it's pig iron. Here are the 2 pieces of iron we got out of there. The one on the right is about the size of a quarter,